What if one of Suzuki's most iconic cruisers suddenly returned with a darker design, more power, and a completely modern street presence? Imagine hearing a deep V-twin rumble coming down the highway late at night. Then the all-new 2026 Suzuki Intruder appears looking bigger, sharper, and more aggressive than ever before. This isn't just another cruiser revival. Suzuki may be preparing a motorcycle that combines old-school muscle with modern technology, and honestly, this machine could surprise the entire cruiser world. Especially when you hear the final rumor about its performance package, Seelast 1. The first thing that makes the 2026 Suzuki Intruder stand out is its design. The bike looks low, stretched, and muscular from every angle. Suzuki seems to be keeping that classic Intruder DNA alive, while giving it a more premium and futuristic appearance. The large fuel tank, wide handlebars, and long wheelbase instantly give the bike a strong road presence. At the front, the motorcycle is expected to feature a redesigned LED headlight setup that mixes retro cruiser styling with modern aggressive details. The blacked out engine and dark metallic finishes make the bike look even more intimidating. Even standing still, the Intruder looks like a machine built for long highways and powerful rides. But the real story begins under the tank. Rumors suggest the 2026 Suzuki Intruder could return with a powerful V-twin engine focused on smooth torque and highway cruising performance. Suzuki may tune the engine to deliver stronger low-end acceleration, while also improving refinement for long-distance riding. This means riders could get both relaxed cruising comfort and strong throttle response whenever needed. And then there's the exhaust sound. Cruiser fans know sound is everything, and the Intruder may deliver one of the deepest exhaust notes in its category. At idle, the motorcycle could produce a heavy rumble, but once the throttle opens, the bike may sound aggressive enough to turn heads instantly. Suzuki is also expected to improve the comfort level significantly. The low seating position, relaxed foot controls, and wide seat design should make long rides feel easier and less tiring. Whether riding through busy city streets or open highways, the bike is designed to feel smooth and stable. Technology may also play a huge role in this new model. The 2026 Intruder is expected to feature a fully digital instrument cluster with ride information, fuel range, navigation support, and smartphone connectivity. Some reports even suggest Suzuki could introduce selectable riding modes for different road conditions. The suspension system may also receive major upgrades. Better front forks and a refined rear suspension setup could help improve handling without losing that classic cruiser comfort. Combined with ABS braking and traction control, the bike may feel safer and more stable during high-speed cruising. Now let's talk about performance. The Intruder has always been more about smooth power and road presence than chasing extreme top speeds. But the 2026 version may still deliver impressive acceleration thanks to its strong torque, focused engine setup. Riders could comfortably cruise at highway speeds while still having enough power for quick overtakes and long-distance touring. Fuel efficiency may also improve compared to older cruiser models. Suzuki is expected to focus on balancing power with practicality, making the Intruder a better option for riders who want both performance and everyday usability. And honestly, this is where things get really interesting. The new Intruder may directly compete with motorcycles like the Harley-Davidson Lowrider S and the Honda Rebel 1100. But Suzuki could attract riders by offering a more affordable package with strong reliability and lower maintenance costs. The expected price for the 2026 Suzuki Intruder could fall somewhere between $11,000 and $14,000, depending on the trim and market. If Suzuki manages to keep the pricing competitive, this motorcycle could become a major hit among cruiser fans looking for something powerful but practical. But now comes the craziest rumor of all. Some reports suggest Suzuki may later release a special blacked out performance edition with upgraded exhaust tuning, premium suspension, and even more aggressive styling straight from the factory. If that happens, the Intruder could evolve from a comfortable cruiser into a true highway beast, capable of challenging much bigger names in the cruiser market. So what do you think about the all-new 2026 Suzuki Intruder? Would you ride this over an American cruiser, or do you think Suzuki still needs to do more? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love future motorcycles, cruiser reviews, and powerful bike content, make sure you subscribe to CarQuest Pro, because more insane motorcycle videos are coming very soon.